Hey, good morning. Still a bit tired from our trip to the mountain farmhouse. Hello. You dismantle your kitchen? Yes. Okay. Just finished my breakfast. Not sure yet what we're gonna do today. We don't feel like doing anything. We thought we fixed the kitchen a little bit, but I just don't feel like. I need to give a bit of a wash to the van. That for sure. Anytime we go to the mountain, it's so dirty. And I saw a little bit of a rust appearing, so I need to fix that maybe. Anyway, there's many other things to be done here. Slowly, slowly. Petit à petit, l'oiseau fait son nid.
Yes, baby, you gotta
James called French now. You singing? Oh yeah, that's the shark song. I'm having problem with my laptop and this one too, but I managed to get this one going to do my editing. With the laptop I got the issue with the audio. And the MSI laptop just doesn't work at all. I need to take it somewhere. That was delicious. I feel sleepy now. I got this bottle that I bought about 25 years ago. First time I open it, and I throw some ice. Look at the color. Ooh, look at the color. Let's try it. I remember I paid this 300 Australian dollar duty free Sydney airport in the year 1998 or 99. How much that would be now? Give me a number if you know. It's beautiful whiskey. One of the best. The label is about empty. Yeah. So let me know what you think about the value of this. Good morning. Oh, she's too busy. Oh, breakfast ready. That's it. Yeah, I'm still battling with my MSI. Nobody here in Dipolog can fix it. I'm gonna have to take it to Manila and in my next trip, and then go back again to pick it up. Unless there's something in Cebu, it'll be easier. Or maybe, yeah, I think Cebu maybe either way. Anyway, that's the way it is. Still trying. Okay, time to pack this one up and take it away from the veranda. Still have to tie it up around. Anyway. So hot. So hot. Well, we lost Max. Max, my favorite dog, the tall one with the brown patches. And it's our fault because we can't afford a fence and the road is just there, so I had to pick him up and bury him in the back of the house. Yeah, it hurts. Alright, anyway, keep going with life. As I said to Jam, I don't want any more dogs. It will be CCTV camera around, maybe one tied up at the front, and that's it. Okay, next one. Okay, next job. Okay, that box is gone now. Something's cooking there, but not what it is. It's got tomato and a lot of vegetable and spices.
That's carrot.
Carrot? Oh, I thought it was tomato. It's carrot. Yum. Okay.
Carrot and cauliflower.
Carrots and cauliflowers.
With tarragon.
I tell you what, this is very healthy. I'm going to live up to 150 years old, I think.
Don't eat pasta. You always
Very nice.
eat pasta. I don't like.
I managed to get the MSI working for now, so it's all working good. So now I'm about to download the editing software, video editing software from Magix Vegas Pro 21. Not cheap, but I had to. Okay, lunchtime. Windy outside, it's too hot inside. Wow. How we call that? Forgot.
Lumpia.
Oh, lumpia. That's Chinese.
I know that's the seaweed. They put the
Sorry, I'll be on my computer all morning. I
corn
can't
bars.
think anymore. And it's a special carrot puree.
Carrot with cauliflower and tarragon.
Oh my god. Okay, let's eat, guys, and we got a nice glass of wine. That's it, can't wait.
Eating with the hands.
No diet with Jay, I'm cooking. So nice. Yes, I'm lucky. I can say that. I inspired her and then she kept going and do even better. See, when I finish the house, I'll probably start cooking as well again. Try the paella this weekend. Huh? Yeah. Another day where you wouldn't run. Luckily we out of the mountain up there. Power generator running full blast. But it's running the whole house. So maybe we start the water and the pressure pump start may just trip, I'm not sure, but for now I'm running everything. Here I've got a fan, 2 laptops, fan at the entrance, and the beauty is that the carport is connected separately to the house. So when the powers come back, I got the light from the studio and the front up there on. So I mean the switch is on, so when the power is back it will light up, and then I know the power is back, so I can stop the generator. Look at this weather, it's terrible. So far this MSI is holding. No blue screen, touch wood. Touch wood. Anyway, I'm having a nice green tea. I just relax now. I just don't feel like working hard. Next week we start putting the ceiling in our bedroom. So this weekend, tomorrow, Friday, we're going in town, see what we're going to start buying to set up the ceiling. But we need to clean up the mess first in our room and here in this room, so we can put some stuff here. Finish your nap. Uh-oh.
We should.
I need to start with 4 sheets of Hardy Flex to change that American wall to Hardy Flex. I need to do that first because I'm gonna have to put all the metal stuff all around to support. So I need to get the wall finished. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do. So nice and cool here. Cheers, beer from Singapore. I like this one too. Jem the baby is sleeping now, lying down at there sleeping. Hey, good morning. Just give a quick wash to the car. Oh, what are you doing, guys? You eating me? Yeah, I know. Looks like new. I would too. The only thing that this pump let us down. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, made in China, I guess. Got something completely different today. The chicken feet went really, really quick.
This one, sir, if you already use this app, there's nothing left. You can buy this one at Paragon. Small amount.
Oh, no much is it?
Additional na yan.
200?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh.
Alright guys, then that pick still, it's a small one but still very heavy. The smell back not very good. So they're gonna fire up, make sure everything's okay. Is that an on switch?
Pump, then start. This is
Okay.
the switch.
So we just pump a little bit from underneath. Okay,
Then
and then
start button.
on.
One start. Then choke. On. Then the choke is here.
Choke.
Oh,
Yeah,
choke.
up.
Up.
Okay.
Then pump.
Yep.
You hear something like the engine is running. And that's it.
And it doesn't start. Yeah.
That's good. Then go
Ah,
downwards
okay, yeah,
to off the choke.
That's how you started.
Then
They are so naughty. So with the notary attorney,
Yeah.
and this is a paper so you can export.
Yep.
Okay.
It's very.
Mommy, daddy.
Miss Mommy.
Oh. Now in City Hardware, looking for all the stuff for the ceiling. Here they are. I wonder if I should put some of those just on top of the Hadiflex. Maybe a bit hard to fit in. Terrible weather. Okay, I just got home. All safe, no problem. The only issue is it's fully wet and it's super heavy. So I'm gonna leave that for in the morning. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.